Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'm share to you the details about HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 3835 printer. This is one of the best inkjet printer from HP brand. It has many features: print, fax, scan, copy, web, wireless, ADF and mobile printing. More importantly, this printer can scan and photocopy in two methods. One is the usual method with flatbed glass, but the second is super duper method because this is 35 sheets can be scanned or copy at the same time. Easy mobile printing. Connect and set up quickly from your smartphone, tablet or PC. You can also scan to your email your documents with or without network. This is affordable printer for home purpose. HP's lowest priced ink cartridges are using in this printer and effortlessly manage your printing jobs with touchscreen. Also, you can print from anywhere in the world with internet connection. About print speed, black 9 page and color 6 page per minute. Print speed depend on printing paper size and printing document. About duty circle, company says 1000 sheets per month. About print quality, black 1200 into 1200 dpi, color up to 4800 into 1200 dpi. Borderless printing also support in this printer. First port for USB cable. It is connect to computer for printing or scanning purpose from computer. Next, both ports for fax purpose. First port for in, the second is out. This port for connect power cable. Total weight of this printer is 5.61 kilogram and dimension is width 450, depth 364, height 224.4 millimeter. Okay, connect the power cable. After then turn on the printer with this switch. It's have 5.5 centimeter touch mono display. With this printer, we can save the scan files in different formats like PDF, BMP, JPG, GIF, TIF, PNG. Up to A4 size can support in this printer. Media weight supported, normal A4 60 to 90 grams and envelope 75 to 90 gram, cards up to 200 gram, 10 into 15 centimeter photo paper up to 300 grams also supported. Okay, let's see where is the ink cartridge and how to insert or replace ink cartridge of this printer. First, open this door. To the right side of this door is mentioned the model number of the ink cartridge to be used. Cartridge number 652 is given here. Therefore, in this printer can only support the same number cartridge. Otherwise, printer doesn't support. Black and color cartridges are same number. Next, pull out the inside a small door. If it open, the ink cartridge will come to the middle of this printer. These are new cartridges of this printer. 652 black and 652 color. Both cartridges are same number. Print capacity of this cartridges: black 360 pages approximate and color 200 pages approximate. Expiry date of the cartridge is given in the back side of the cartoon. Never buy or use expired cartridges because it's affect the print quality. You can always check the expiry date when you buy new one. With the picture also indicates where to place the black and color cartridges in this carriage. This is 652 black carriage. Put the carriage like this to right side of the carriage and press it slightly. Okay, black inserted. Next, 652 color carriage. This also put it left side of the carriage and press it slightly. Okay, now both carriages are inserted. After then close this door. Okay, let's see how to remove ink carriages from this printer. Okay, first open this door again. If it open, the ink carriage will come in the middle of this printer. Okay, after then press down on the carriage slightly and pull it out. Now color is removed. I insert again. The black also remove the same procedures. Press down and pull it. Okay, inserted again. Okay. Printer can be support on Windows 32 and 64 bits version and Mac operating systems. Many options are there. You can select like this, swipe left or right with touch screen. You can get all information about wireless, Wi-Fi direct, password and proxy, etc. For example, you can touch the copy option. You can get the settings of it. You can select black or color photocopy and settings are also there. Check resize, lighter, darker. Photocopy reduce or enlarge settings are 25 to 400 percentage. Also you can possible to select the number of needed photocopy. First you can select the number like this. After then press photocopy button. Photocopy resolution is 600 into 300 dpi. Black and color also same. Fax transmission speed 4 seconds per page. Fax resolution black up to 300 into 300 dpi. This is the usual photocopy or scanning area. Paper size mentioned on this side. Paper can adjust from this side. In this method, you can not possible to scan or copy more than one pages at same time. Possible only one by one. But you can use with automatic document feeder for scan or copy. You can possible 35 sheets at the same time. If you insert up to 35 pages in this area, printer pick and print one by one automatically. This is input paper tray of this printer. Maximum 60 sheets capacity of this tray. Blank A4 paper insert to input paper tray. Up to A4 size can support in this printer. Plain paper, photo paper, brochure, envelope and other inkjet papers are supported in this printer. Insert paper. After then paper size can adjust with this grip. This is output paper tray of this printer. Maximum has 25 sheets capacity of this tray. Just need to open the tray extended. It will hold the paper after the printing. Up to A4 size you can use with ADF. You can adjust the size like this. Scan, copy or fax. You can arrange the paper size like this. Now I insert the A4 paper. The printed face is up. Okay. After then you can touch on copy option. After press photo black. Okay, see paper automatically insert the printer. The same time blank paper also printing. Now I am using only one paper. You can use like this up to 35 page at the same time. See, photocopy resolution is 300 into 300 dpi. Color document also you can print like this with color photocopy option. This printer has many features. Not possible to include all features in this video. So if you have any doubt or if you need any help, you can put comment under this video. This video is winding up now. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.